Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. I am Siti Hajar with you within 15 minutes in the Audit show, number 1 TV show in Malaysia. Today's topic is about environmental audit. What is environmental audit? Environmental audit is a mechanism for collecting, assessing and documenting information that are compliant with the requirement in order to reduce the impact of environment and health of employees. Lately, we have seen so many environmental issues that happen around the world, especially water and air pollution. In the beginning of 2019, we have received bad news from Kim River in Pasir Gudang, Johor. It involved a huge number of victims and most of them are students who are studying at the nearest the river. It was started by the unknown chemical that was disposed into the river and leads to the water pollution which may harm to the society. It happened on March 7 and another wave appeared after a few months later and affected more people. Our reporter Nurdini Farah have a full report regarding this case from Pasir Gudang.
You wouldn't think that you could kill an ocean, don't you? That's how negligent we are. Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. I'm Nurdini Farah in Pasir Gudang to give a full report regarding the Kim River cases. Most of the victims are the students from SK and SMK Pasir Putih, and there were several kindergartens that were affected as well. And right now we have one of the victims from the SK Pasir Putih, and we will ask her what is her conditions. Hello Fadila, how is your condition now?
I feel a little bit dizzy right now. I'm sorry, and I'll vomit sometimes.
How about your friends?
We're having class as usual in the morning, but after a few moments, one of my classmates seems unable to breathe. And it became chaos after one by one felt nausea and difficult to breathe. My classmate to stop because some of my classmates having difficult time to breathe.
What happened after that?
Our science teachers had to call the teachers on duty. After a few minutes, about 3 or 4 ambulance came to our school and bring us to hospital to treat us.
How do you feel now after getting the treatment from the doctors?
I'm getting better, alhamdulillah, after I got consultation with the doctor and they asked me to get rest for a few days.
I see. We hope for a quick recovery for you, Fadila, and thank you for the interview.
You're welcome.
I will meet one of the teachers from this school to know more about the incidents. Hello, Miss Atira. What do you think have happened about these cases?
I think this is the worst case ever happened since I was working here for 5 years, and it happened so quick and drastic as there is no symptom show before it's occur. So we as a teacher need to calm down the student as they were too young to understand what is really happened, and this is actually scares them so much.
Is there any other victims beside the student?
Oh yeah, this accident is not only affected our student, but some of staff and teachers were affected as well.
What is the further action that school have taken?
Our school announced to be closed for a moment before another week will happen. Also, for safety of our students, staff and teachers, many victims were warded due to this matter. So, I hope this problem will be managed quickly.
Thank you, Miss Atira, for the interview. As you can see, the water pollution is not only affect the human beings but to the aquatic life as well. And it might become worse if we Malaysians does not take any action to prevent it, especially to the organisation. And to those who did this, be careful because the policeman is searching for you. And that's all from me, and we go back to Siti Hajar.
Thank you Nurdini Farah for the report. Due to the disposing chemical waste in a wrong way, it can be a time bomb to people because the effect only can be noticed after few years. To conclude, everybody, including government sector and private sector, should take responsibility in managing environmental issue and prevent it from spreading. Next, we will continue to another case that are currently ruckus in Spain, which is about the Devil's Wezzara virus.